Now this, if you guys don't know, is like a little small cover, or I don't know how you call this part right here. I have to look it up. If I did, I'll put it in the screen. Now this thing goes here. As you can see, mine was coming off. So I went to the junkyard a few days back, a while back actually, and then I just got it. And to take these off, you just have to open your door, go to the bottom of the door, and there are your critters. You just hold on by clips. So what you would do to pull it, you could use like a pencil like this. You could just, and then just pull it. You be careful because it could break the clips, but that's completely normal. And then after you're done, it's gonna look like that. It's those little things that make a huge difference. So get on it and do your little job. So at the end, it's gonna look way better.